What's up YouTube, Scott here, and I'm just going to be showing you some misprints again that I have. Okay, first up, it's kind of a misprint, but it's a Spirit Ryu. It looks okay, but then on the back, it's kind of miscut over here, but yeah, that's pretty cool, I guess, I don't know. Let's see, next, it's a Blizzard of the Far North, first edition too, if you guys care. From Raging Battle, and the misprint is the foil for the B, the A, and the R's are all like filled in, like they didn't get cut out like the O's did, and the D's. But yeah, they just kind of got, I guess the machine left it or something, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Next is a Lightning Punisher Ultimate Rare from SDIP, or I can't remember the set name. Cyber Dark Impact. It's just an Ultimate Rare that's kind of moved up in a way, if you guys can see that, like the foil's up. There, that's good, yeah. You guys can see that pretty cool. And the picture too is moved up. It's just a little bit, but it's moved up and to the left a little bit. So, all right, and then next, these are video game cards too. I don't know if they were supposed to make it like this, but it's an Infinity Dwarf and a Infinity Guardian. Now, why I pulled these out is because I don't know if you can see that, but there, you see, like the stars and the little attribute thing are like foil. And the Infinity Archfiend, I don't have it on me because I traded it, but the Infinity Archfiend from the video game as well doesn't have the foil stars and attribute. So if you guys want these, they are for trade. I'm just gonna let you know right there. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys later.